This chipboard is cracked right there, so take some super glue. A little bit down in there. Hold that together. You want to be careful. I want to be careful I don't get any on my fingers, because I can glue my fingers together. I can glue them to the chipboard, particle board. Not cool. And this stuff dries in like 15 seconds. There we go. And there's another one here too. A few drops down in there. Hold that together. And that didn't glue. I'm going to redo that one. Let's see here. I'll put some more glue in there. There we go. Got some DAP plastic wood, professional wood filler. I put a piece of plastic in there. Oh, there we go. Try and keep the air away from the filler so it doesn't dry out so fast. So, and this is getting really too hard, and we'll see how this works. It may not work. No, that stuff's gone. Have to go to plan B. To repair this broken part of the star, I'm going to use some Durham's Rock Hard water putty. Sure and read and follow all the directions. They're saying 3 parts powder to 1 part, or 3 parts powder to 1 part water. And you don't want to mix up a lot because this stuff gets hard pretty fast. So I was using a popsicle stick. Get a consistency you want, just put it on the repair area. This is going to take numerous applications. That pretty close, and I'll let that dry. This putty is dried for a few days, so I'm going to take some medium grit sandpaper, and on this is a 2x4 wood block. It's stapled on both sides. I'm just going to sand this down so it's the same plane as this. Good. And then on the front side, and try and create the same corner as this side comes to a point. So try and use this as a reference for the angle. Sand that down, that looks good there. See this one. Good, I'm going to have to sand this side down a little bit. And looks good. Now I'll mix up some more putty. I'm going to have to do some filling here. There's a hole right there. There's a hole there too, so fix those up. It's usually a multiple step process when you don't usually want to put putty on real thick. Better off doing layers. So mix up some putty. Got some putty mixed up. A little bit in this hole here on top. Filling that hole there. This back side, I have to put in quite a bit. And I'll let that dry. I've let this dry overnight. I'll sand this down, get the profile that I want. I'll work on that a bit and I'll be back when I get it the way I want it. I got that the shape that I wanted. It's ready to be painted. I ended up using the 2x4 block with probably about 120 grit on it. I need a more aggressive. Durham says their putty is rock hard. They aren't kidding. I couldn't take it down very well with the foam sponge. This I used for the finish to get it really nice and smooth. But be sure and check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment below. Have a great day.